Good afternoon. It's a decent day in the mountains. It's pretty windy up here, but there is quite a few beautiful campsites that I might stay at. This is one of them. The only problem is there's no coverage from wind, but if I park my car right, I might be able to make it work. I'm gonna keep looking for a little bit, and I'll let you know when I find one. I think this will do for the night. It's not quite as nice as the other one, but there's no wind, so that'll make it a lot more enjoyable. I was wrong. The wind wasn't any better, so I might as well get a view. It's pretty nice. This is very nice, but the wind is getting to me, so I'll probably be spending most of the night in the car. However, I still have to cook dinner, so let's get that going. Today, I'm making chicken shawarma with some handmade flatbread. So first things first, I need to marinate the chicken, and then I'll make the flatbread dough. Still frozen. My chicken thighs are still frozen. Yeah, that's not bad. I'll add olive oil, salt, garlic, cayenne, smoked paprika, some lemon juice, black pepper, chicken's marinating. Leave this for an hour or so. If you saw my last video, you probably saw me build this sheet metal lined drawer. I have to knead the flatbread a bit, so this will work perfectly for that. For the flatbread, starting with room temp water, add yeast, a little bit of sugar. The yeast is pretty much dissolved. Yogurt, flour, I'll probably have to add more, salt. I think I have too much wet mixture. Pour it off. I can add it back in if I need to. I think that'll do. That's why this surface is so nice. Don't have to worry about staining the wood. Stuff like this sticking to the wood. Pretty much non-stick, and it should be easy to clean, I guess. We'll see once I get there. It's turning into a very nice afternoon. The sun's coming out, the wind's slowing down. I'd say it's probably in the 30s, low 30s, but with the sun and no wind, it really is not too bad. It's the first time I've made a dough like this out of my car. So now I'll wrap this up and check on it in an hour or so. If you're curious, this is actually my old water system. I built a new one recently and it stopped working, so I'll build another new one in the near future. Let's see how this material cleans up. I would say that's successful. It's pretty easy to clean up, no staining, no residue left behind. Nice. I'm definitely looking forward to using this more in the future. While it's still warm out, I'm going to keep prepping items for dinner. Since I'm not using the stove right now, I might as well use this larger space. I actually have a use for this. Last thing I have to do for now is make the yogurt sauce. I'll add some lemon juice. And I'll mix in the yogurt. That's nice. Super simple. And there we have everything for dinner. Everything's prepped. There's some pretty incredible views up here. Definitely looking forward to hanging out here during the summer when it's a little bit warmer. But even now, it's pretty incredible. The snow-capped mountains, the clouds, the sun's out. Can't get much better than this. I'm going to hang out inside the car for a bit and read. Then I'll be back to finish cooking dinner. To cook everything, I'm going to use my portable campfire. I'm just using charcoal. I was considering building a fire tonight, but with the wind, it's probably going to start picking up in a little bit, so I decided I'd rather just avoid that. The dough rose a bit. Not a whole lot because it's so cold. Alright. It smells incredible. Oh yeah, that looks pretty nice. Oh yeah. Wow. Pretty awesome. Handmade flatbread really pulls it together. Goodness. The garlic yogurt sauce is so good. I'll have the recipe in the description for this. That was awesome. Wow. It honestly was not too bad to make either. The flatbread came together pretty quick. The chicken was pretty easy. I just cooked everything on the portable campfire, so I don't really have any dishes to wash. Can't complain about that. So now that dinner's done, I plan to just settle in inside my car for the rest of the evening. It's probably going to be in the 20s tonight, so I'll bundle up and maybe even make some apple cider or something like that. The sunset was really nice. I kind of wish I had recorded more of it. Settled in, got the car heated up a bit. I'm going to make some apple cider. I've had this single burner for a while. I don't know if I've ever used it. So I'm going to try to use it in my car. I would not recommend this, but I do have multiple windows open if you're curious. I also have a carbon monoxide detector. That will let me know if it's getting bad in here. I can feel it warming up the inside of the car. That's pretty much it for my evening. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It was cold last night. It was getting a little cold in the car, but I made it through. And now it's a nice morning, the sun's coming out. Unfortunately, I have to get going pretty quick, so I'm just gonna make a cup of coffee and then I'll be out of here. I'll see you in the next one.